30 seconds to go. We leave on time or Sir Topham Head gets mad at Thomas. We don't want that to happen. Everybody seated in the back? Everybody seated up front? Okay. Looks like we're about ready to go. 15 seconds to go. All aboard! Let's go, Thomas! Okay, now I'm going to go up to the front of the train and punch tickets, so get your tickets out and ready for me. You adults don't have a ticket, we'll lock you up in a room and you have to listen to 8 hours of Thomas music. Marty here's going to tell you about what's going on around here today, so I'll be by and get your tickets. Thank you. Thank you, Al. Welcome aboard and thanks for participating with us in our 2013 Day of Thomas. Who's here at the Colorado Railroad Museum for the very first time? Raise your hand. Let's see. Looks like about a third who we've been getting. Who's riding here with us behind Thomas again here at the Colorado Railroad Museum? Not too many. Welcome back. All of you, welcome aboard. We do have a bunch of stuff going on to celebrate our day with Thomas. You can have photos taken with Thomas when he stopped at the station and picked up the tent just immediately to the left of the photo platform after they've been processed, of course. You can have photos taken with Sir Topham Hatt at the bottom of the hour, 30 minutes after every hour up until through 4:30 this afternoon. That's in between the museum and the library buildings in front of locomotive number 683. We have a temporary tattoo station set up, and that's in one of our birthday cruises. That's over behind the museum building. Heading goods is set up and is open up by our diesels on the hill up there, number 5771. Storytelling is supposed to be going on in the library. Down here we have had going on a turntable demonstration in front of the roundhouse, showing you how easily one or two people can move our Armstrong turntable. It weighs over 40 tons. It's well balanced and well greased. Sing-alongs and magic shows are taking place in a tent that's just behind Denver Garden Railway Society. It's also the location of our Imagination Station tent this year. Fairmount Fire Department has, do they still have? They may still have, or will have, or has had, their fire truck out here. There it is, over there down the road. Anyway, they're on display down there for kids. I think they're passing out junior fireman hats to the kids. Food vendors are in the area, down in the picnic area. Thomas videos and coloring is taking place in the upper level in the back.